Greetings and konnichiwa. My name is JJ Price from Global Business Development at HACARUS, the leading AI provider of lightweight and explainable AI solutions based in Kyoto, Japan. Founded in 2014, we are experts in AI-powered image and time series data analysis and provide the next generation of AI instruments that enables users to make better, faster, and more reliable solutions. Our focus is on providing AI solutions for businesses using our core AI technology based on sparse modeling. We are one of the few, if not only, companies that uses this technique, allowing us to work with small data sets, low power consumption, and provides explainability. We have strong partnerships with academia, such as Kyoto University, to stay at the forefront in this domain, and a proven track record having completed over 100+ projects across the globe. There are 3 common challenges for deploying AI, such as collecting the required volume of data, the black box nature of deep learning predictions, and powerful computing requirements for useful operations. Sparse modeling-based AI lowers all 3 of these barriers by offering no big data requirements, understandable AI predictions, and high speed but low energy consumption. There are 3 industries we focus on. One is medical bioscience with our drug discovery and diagnosis support AI. 2 is manufacturing with our product, HACARUS Check, for visual inspection and predictive maintenance AI, and infrastructure with our warehouse management and workplace safety support AI. Now, I would like to introduce one use case for each sector. In Japan, liver cancer is the 3rd leading cause of cancer death for men over 40 years old, but can be detected early by MRI images. Because of this, we worked with Kobe University to jointly create a diagnosis and classification support tool using MRI images for analysis and to improve the access to this type of technology. For manufacturing, we worked with a Tier 1 Japanese auto parts supplier to improve their existing inspection system. We were able to use the customer's existing image capture hardware and only 20 training images to achieve a detection rate of 97.8% using our HACARUS Check visual inspection AI software, and lowered their secondary manual inspections by 30%. And for infrastructure, we worked with YCH Group in Singapore to create an inventory management support AI, starting with the analysis of drone video data for inventory counting. We were able to cut the required time by up to 85% with this solution and are continuing to build more features for this. Building off the knowledge gained from our work in the previous use cases and others, we have great traction in all 3 of our target industries, with plans to expand our medical AI solutions to Southeast Asia, Europe, and North America. This also applies to our manufacturing and infrastructure solutions as well, where we have already completed projects and have been endorsed by customers in markets outside of Japan, such as the US, Germany, Italy, Sweden, China, Singapore, and Malaysia. In order to achieve our expansion goals, we are looking for customers and business partners to help us deliver superior and sustainable AI solutions for image and time series data analysis to the world. Thank you, and please do not hesitate to contact us for more information.